Turning your engine 33V28. It's running good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice. On this side, engines without any damage. All windows without water inside, as you can see. Look as well on the gearbox. Everything's good. And on this side, you don't see any damage. Altimeter in good conditions. Some as well like a starter. And on the top, all connectors look nice. Plastics cover without any damage. And on the bottom, all some without any cracks, no leaks. And it's running your engine 33V28.